In addition to providing service discovery and integrated health checking, Consul provides an easy-to-use KeyValue Store. This can be used to hold dynamic configuration, assist in service coordination, build leader election, and enable anything else a developer can think to build. This step assumes you have at least one Consul agent already running. To demonstrate how simple it is to get started, we will manipulate a few keys in the KeyValue Store. There are two ways to interact with the Consul KeyValue Store, via the HTTP API and via the Consul KV CLI. You can also use the web UI. The examples below show using the Consul KeyValue CLI because it is the easiest way to get started. For more advanced integrations, you may want to use the HTTP API. First, let's explore the KeyValue Store. We can ask Consul for the value of the key at the path named Redis config min_cons. As you can see, we get no result, which makes sense because there is no data in the KeyValue Store. Next, we can insert or put values into the KeyValue Store. Let's put a value to min_cons. Let's put another value to max_cons. And let's put a third value with a flag. Now that we have keys in the store, we can query for the value of individual keys. Consul retains additional metadata about the field, which is retrieved using the -detailed flag. It's possible to list all the keys in the store using the Recurse options. Results will be returned in lexicographical order. To delete a key from the KeyValue Store, issue a delete call. It's also possible to delete an entire prefix using the Recurse option. To update the value of an existing key, put a value at the same path. Consul can provide atomic key updates using a check and set operation. To perform a CAS operation, specify the -CAS flag. In this case, the first CAS update succeeds. The second operation fails. See also the web user interface for a more user-friendly view of keys and values. These are only a few examples of what the API supports. For the complete documentation, please see the Consul KeyValue HTTP API or CLA documentation.